Jason Hill is going to tell us about growing your Unix mastery.
"40 years ago, in August 1969, Ken Thompson developed what would soon become one of the most important pieces of software ever written, the Unix time-sharing system. His goal to build a simplistic operating system that was both elegant and easy to use. 3 years later, in 1972, Dennis Ritchie created the C programming language. Thompson saw this as an opportunity to rewrite Unix in C, thus increasing portability across a wide variety of machines, from micros to supercomputers. These two bearded revolutionaries, along with other researchers at AT&T Bell Labs, helped foster not just a powerful operating system, but a hacker culture that encouraged sharing of ideas and code. Richard Stallman continued this tradition by creating the GNU project, a free as in freedom, Unix-like operating system promoting users' rights to access and modify software. Current work includes software development, awareness building, and political campaigning. In 1991, Linus Torvalds began work on a free Unix-like kernel called Linux. With the help of hackers around the world, he led the charge to develop a free open-source Unix. One of those hackers, Alan Cox, was heavily involved in the development of Linux kernel since its inception. Without his involvement and without the help of the GNU project, Linux may have never gained traction. Today, Unix is everywhere. It was a core building block for the development of the internet and is the heart of telecommunications systems today. It spawned a number of important architectural ideas such as pipes, shells, and hierarchical file systems. These Unix masters share many common traits. From interrupt stacks to sockets to virtual file systems, these guys have all the chops. Familiarity with these topics will help you learn more about Unix. However, the most important factor to growing your Unix mastery, the Unix beard. With it, Unix geeks everywhere will bow down before you in praise of your knowledge. Without it, your login shell is dev null. With its length, girth, and unkemptness in direct correlation to wisdom, it's easy to see that for many Unix experts, growing a Unix beard is not a choice, but a result of their environment. A positive feedback loop, if you will. Now let's take a closer look. As you can see, each section of the beard is responsible for nuggets of information, and sometimes cookie crumbs. The beauty lies in how the structure of the beard mimics the complexity of networked systems. Despite the Urban Dictionary definition, men with Unix beards do procreate. The ability to spawn a child process without segfaulting has been known to occur on more than one occasion. System commands like mount, fsck, and sleep are no accident. The ability to grow your Unix mastery is sometimes beyond your control. Take Bill Gates, for example. He's not a Unix master, nor will he ever be. It's quite clear he's follically challenged. Poor Bill, I guess he's stuck with Windows. In contrast, just because you have a beard doesn't mean you have Unix mastery. Al Gore grew a beard, and despite popular opinion, he did not create the internet. Although rumor has it he's using OS X, a Unix derivative, so he's a step in the right direction. Now that you've grown your Unix mastery, you're probably wondering what else you can do with it. This brave soul raised money for charity by lifting heavy objects with his beard. Another option might be providing shelter to orphaned baby birds. At Dharmatech, where I work, we use our Unix mastery to share ideas and help foster innovation. As a nonprofit tech firm, we're committed to the core values of the open source community, building complex systems using simple tools, as long as those tools don't involve razors. We share all of the software we write. It's freely available and licensed under GPL. It ensures your right to modify, distribute, or reuse our code, even if you don't have a beard. We don't judge. We're motivated by our mission to help bring about lasting social change. We provide affordable and appropriate solutions to improve our communities in a variety of fields, including conservation, human rights, and public safety. Whether we're automating routine business processes or writing software for community garden geeks, we take a collaborative approach, sharing ideas between our Unix beards and other nonprofits, reaching out to the community one whisker at a time. Finally, if you've ever faced with a technical challenge, verify the team you're working with has at least one Unix beard on staff.
Excellent.